I'll get round to rebuilding the front forks. But Debbie's coming down on the weekend, so you might see her in an upcoming video rebuilding them. Treated the wheels to some brand new tyres from Bridgestone. And unlike a recent video on YouTube where an influencer gouged all of the paintwork, I have successfully installed tyres without any damage to the rims. The discs are rusty and they'll be coming off shortly for replacement or a clean-up. I'll see how I feel. I'm just really pleased to have gotten those old 22-year-old Pirellis off of the wheels. There's plenty more to do for this motorcycle. This top stay, if you like, is the link between the fairing, where the screen attaches, and it's seen better days. So I'm going to remove it and send it off for powder coating because it's pretty rusty. And when I'm sat on the bike finally and riding it, I don't want to be seeing lots of corrosion and that. I just want to be looking down, if I ever have to look down, and just see a tidy motorcycle. I'm very much looking forward to rebuilding the Nissin calipers. They are binding, so clean up the pistons, new pistons if necessary, new seals, brake fluid, all that sort of stuff. But first I'll have to rebuild the front forks. Something that Debbie pointed out when she was last down was the cooling fan. And let me just show you. Oh my word. I hadn't really noticed it, to be fair. But she noticed it and it's really bothering her. And even though it'll be wrapped up in Tupperware with its fairings, she'll know it's there. And if I have to take the radiator off, do I replace it with a modern aluminium radiator? Or try and live with the original? These and more questions will be answered in a future video.